All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about Litecoin and a massive sell-off that occurred over the last 3 or 4 days. I'm here to talk about a new price prediction that we may produce for Litecoin today, because the one that we put on a couple of days ago definitely did not go out in our favor. You guys can see immediately after we concluded with the price prediction of Litecoin, the market in 2 days fell all the way down to our buy pocket, which even there, the buyers did not even prop up the price of Litecoin. So it kind of gives you the gist as to who's really moving this price right now, and you had to give it to the sellers. So let me go ahead and break this down for you all right quick. Now, before I do, let's go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe for me. If you all appreciate my videos and my content, I'm here to give you all a different perspective, a different view as to how you can look at the market without being confused. So make sure you guys do all that before you head out. Now, could Litecoin run all the way back down to $80? You guys can see that we hit $80 on February the 2nd or the 3rd. Will the market continue to break that area? More than likely, I don't know. Now, let me say this, that the pocket, a couple of pockets right here, the buyers did not even come through and support, so we need to get rid of it. Okay, we're going to get rid of these pockets of buying right here for Litecoin. We are going to get rid of this pocket of buying for Litecoin here as well. And then we may get rid of this pocket of buying, but since the market only cracked it, or the sellers cracked that pocket of buying once, we can actually keep it here on our chart. Matter of fact, I'm going to create a different one. We're going to move it down here as the pocket of buying for Litecoin. Okay, so now our price prediction did not play out in our favor. 14.03% was missed in 2 days. Let's clean up this chart, get rid of these pockets of buying here. We are going to create another sell pocket right here though, because this is the location, the area that we're noticing sellers to hit the market. And now we need to talk. Okay, let's break this down. Okay, it's good to see price in Litecoin trying to hold this area right here as support again, because they did it numerous times. The potential is still there that those buyers will support this price, which is around like $96.75. Okay, so when we look at the price action going forward in Litecoin, this is what you want to see if the market is going to continue to go high. You want to see it to hold that support area. Okay, now the support area could actually be moved a little bit lower to this area, or we can even take it to this area. So there's a lot of pockets, a lot of locations, prices that buyers have created a stake, meaning that they're willing to buy this cryptocurrency. Here it is, Litecoin on the 2. Take a look at Litecoin on the 3. This is a probable precursor of strength right here. Very widespread bar. The volume also came through. What we need to see to get the confirmation that buyers are controlling the price is this current 3-day price bar, which is forming. We need to see it close higher than the previous 3 days, or this previous 3-day price bar. Litecoin on the 4. Here's Litecoin on the 5-day. Now this 5-day price bar, I want you all to realize how much volatility came into the market in Litecoin. It has encompassed the rest of these 5-day price bars, which began in November of 2024. All of these 5-day bars was wiped out in just one 5-day price bar. That's crazy. That tells you how volatile the market was over the last 5 days. Now, short term, yes, you can see buyers, they're aiming for higher prices. Okay, we're not going to negate that. We're not going to forget that. We're not even going to mention it. We're going to mention it. Look at Litecoin on the weekly. I mean, it looks like the buyers are here controlling the market. It looks like the market here in Litecoin is being controlled by the buyers. We got to give it to them. Give it to the buyers. But my question to you would be, how high do you think the market's going to go? Do you think the buyers will push price up to this sell pocket? Do you think the market's going to hit this sell pocket or this one? Because that will be targets then. If we're going to look for the market and Litecoin to go higher, then these will be our 2 targets that we're going to aim for. Litecoin on the 2 weeks Here's Litecoin on the 3. Here it is on the 5. So definitely we're seeing the buyers gaining control, gaining momentum, providing more energy to move this price higher. The only thing that we don't know is over the last couple of days, do you think these sellers are hiding in the background, just waiting for those buyers to move the market up to these pockets of selling so that they can sell again? Because they're not really impacting the buyers, I will say, below $110 right here. The sellers are not to be found, nowhere to be found in this range. So I can only suspect that these sellers will be up here or up here. Okay, so these two areas is the location that we need to pay attention to. Now here's Litecoin on the 5-hour chart. Okay, so even here you can see where those sellers are. But by the market in Litecoin making higher lows, you guys can see right here. Here's a low, here's the next low. So the market is making higher lows, which is indicative of the market is about to break this pocket of selling on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 330, same thing. So this is a pocket of selling right here, right? But do you think it's going to hold? Here it is on the 1-hour chart. So I think in the short term, it's a close call. I'm gonna keep it real. It's a close call. So when I get to the point of indecision that the market could be 50-50, I can put on a price prediction. I think I might be in that predicament right now for Litecoin. I can see it going either way. Part of my mentality wants to put a price prediction looking for the market to go higher. But then I consider the last couple of trading days to where Litecoin ended down 7.85%, then the next day 7.5%, and then it traded about 26-27% on what day was that? February the 3rd. I'm kind of leery to think that those sellers have completely gone away, that they left. I'm real eerie on that. I don't think that those sellers are actually gone in Litecoin, but I do see the potential for price to go up, but not to the point to where I feel confident that there's a high probability that it would do that. Now, if we do go higher, let's see what it would be though. So it's like maybe 10%, 13% move to the upside in Litecoin. I just want to see us maintain this strength first. So I'm waiting for those sellers to pop in. It might happen today, it might happen tomorrow, to try to push the price down. And then I want the buyers to come back in, maybe around $195, $98. I want the buyers to come back in to confirm that they want the market, that they want the price. Right now, to me, I think it's just too early. So sorry about that. No prediction for Litecoin for me. Now, the comment section is open. You can let everyone else on this particular channel know where you think the market is headed for Litecoin. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.